My name's Ted Deutsch. I'm the CEO of American Jewish Committee. This is a unique opportunity for me. I spend all of my time working on the things that I'm most passionate about, and that includes building community and relations between the Jewish community and other communities, other ethnic groups, other religious groups. That's why I was so excited to have the opportunity to come here today. Whatever your faith is and whatever community you really consider to be your home, the opportunity to spend time here is important. One, because it's a window into to another community, another important community that contributes so much here in not just in this area, but in the country and in the world. The fact that so much of this work has been performed by thousands of volunteers, it's really incredible. It makes everything I've seen today that much more impressive, knowing what went into it from the community, what it represents to the community, and how important it will be for not just all of those thousands of volunteers, but for everyone who has the privilege to come and spend time here. This is exactly the kind of place that reminds people why it's important to be together and to share with one another and one another's experiences and to learn from each other.